Hello. Can K-tips damage hair? Not if they're installed and maintained properly. Keep watching to get your application and care questions answered. Number 1, installing extensions that are too heavy. This is probably the most common cause of damage. The client's hair can only support so much weight. Heavy extensions create constant tension. Over time, this can lead to breakage or tension-related thinning. Number 2, poor sectioning. Sections that are too small can't support the extension. Sections that are messy will cause stress. Sections that are too large don't blend well and can cause uneven tension. These are perfect sections with half bonds. Number 3, placing bonds too close to the scalp. Hair needs room to move naturally. Bonds installed too close can pull every time the client moves or brushes. Number 4, installing poor quality hair. Hair that is not true Remy or cuticle correct hair will tangle after a few shampoos. Combing out these tangles will put a lot of tension on your own hair and cause damage. Number 5, leaving extensions in too long. As natural hair grows, the bond moves farther from the scalp, more stress is placed on the hair, and tangling increases. Discuss a reasonable maintenance timeline based on growth. Number 6, improper removal. This is where a lot of damage happens. Common mistakes are pulling the extension, not using enough remover, crushing the bond only once, and rushing. Please be patient when breaking down the keratin before sliding the extension off. Blue bottle remover from Vision is the best remover. See link below. Number 7, skipping daily brushing. Brush through the bonds on the scalp daily. This keeps the K-tips from matting together and causing stress. I recommend using a loop brush. Do not use a brush with knobs on the bristles. It will pull. Number 8, be gentle with your hair. One of the most common reasons for hair loss from extensions is rough treatment. It is extremely important to hold the bond while brushing or combing. Secure the hair in a braid at night and use a satin pillowcase. Thank you for watching. Visit visionhairextensions.com or look for product links in description.